If you're looking to use QR codes for restaurant menus, you've probably come across Unicode, but is it the best tool for your needs? Today, I'm going to show you how to use QR codes for restaurant menus with Unicode and why it might be a game changer for your restaurant's operations. Stick around till the end because I'll reveal an exclusive deal for Unicode, plus, I'll share some alternative options that may just suit your restaurant even better. First things first, QR codes are a great way to streamline your restaurant's menu process. Customers can scan a code and instantly access your menu, cutting down on physical touchpoints and improving hygiene. Unicode offers a seamless solution by turning your existing digital menu into a QR code that's easy to display at tables, on receipts, or even on walls. This can save you money on printing physical menus while offering a more interactive and efficient experience for your customers. Next thing to consider is how easy it is to set up a QR code with Unicode. All you need to do is upload your digital menu to their platform. From there, Unicode generates a QR code, which can be printed or shared online. It's pretty simple, but where it gets a little tricky is customization. While Unicode does allow for some basic custom branding and design, it doesn't offer as many advanced options for tweaking the look and feel of your QR codes as some other services. If you're looking for something that integrates seamlessly with your branding, you might find this a bit limiting. The third thing to mention is the management of your QR codes. Unicode does let you track scans, which is great for understanding customer behavior and optimizing your menu. However, it lacks the robust analytics and reporting features that some competitors offer. If you're a restaurant looking to gain deep insights into customer interactions, this might leave you wanting more. The fourth thing to keep in mind is the support and customer service. Unicode does provide assistance, but the support experience can sometimes be slow, especially when compared to alternatives that offer 24/7 customer service and more direct communication channels. For busy restaurant owners, quick and effective support is critical. Finally, let's talk about pricing. Unicode offers a free plan, but it's fairly limited. You'll have to upgrade to unlock more features, and depending on the size of your restaurant, the pricing can get a bit expensive. But here's the twist. Through the link in our description, you'll get access to an exclusive extended free trial for Unicode, so you can test it out without any immediate costs. That said, there are alternatives that might suit your needs even better. Some competitors offer more flexible design options, better analytics, and even more affordable pricing, while still allowing you to use QR codes for restaurant menus. These alternatives also come with their own free trials, so you can explore what works best for you without committing right away. So, if you're ready to give QR codes a try, make sure you check out Unicode through the link in our description for an exclusive extended free trial and some awesome bonuses. Plus, don't forget to explore the alternatives I mentioned that might offer more value for your restaurant's goals.